Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the photo and choosing the RAW/DNG file if you have it because it preserves highlight and shadow data you'll need. First, nudge exposure up only enough to reveal midtones. Check the histogram so you don't clip highlights. Once done, lift shadows aggressively to rescue detail and pull highlights down slightly to keep contrast. Make these base corrections before local edits, so your selective work sits on a solid tonal foundation. Now refine tone and color. Open tone curve and gently lift midtones while adding a subtle S-curve to preserve punch. This shapes brightness without flattening contrast. Then use the selective brush to target shadow areas, paint, increase exposure slightly, and recover texture. Make sure to feather edges for natural transitions. Adjust white balance after tonal fixes, warm or cool a little to restore accurate skin tones or scene mood. Finally, add vibrance to boost color without oversaturating skin. Finish by toggling before slash after to evaluate your adjustments and apply a final preset or subtle LUT if you want consistency across shots. Reduce noise moderately after heavy exposure recovery. Noise reduction between 10 and 40 prevents mushy details, then sharpen cautiously. Export at full quality and the correct color space for delivery. If you see heavy noise after brightening, the key troubleshooting tip is to reopen the RAW. Reduce exposure lift, then use local brushes and stronger denoise rather than
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.